Kia ora tamarikima, and welcome to this Air New Zealand flight. You're officially part of Team New Zealand today, and we've got the ultimate game plan for you to keep safe and sound.
That's right, no drop balls here, just smooth and good teamwork.
First up, all loose items. Your rugby ball, poi, even Mr. Butter's should be stowed away in the overhead locker or in the seat in front of you.
Yes, that includes your snacks. If I find any lollies rolling down the aisle, I might clean them for myself.
Listening is key team. Just like your coach's pep talk before a big match, it's important to follow all flight attendant instructions. Watch for the illuminated signs and check out for safety play card. It's time to hustle back to your seat. Fasten your seatbelt low and tight across your hips, like a prop getting ready for a scrum. Just like your haka stance, you need to use the brace position in an emergency. Oxygen mask will fall from above if you need. Rip the tag like this. Ai, ko tēnei te wāhi auahi kore.
Yellow card! We need to evacuate. Your flight attendants are pointing out where they are.
It's like spotting the gap in the defense. Quick thinking saves the day. All devices can be used anytime,
But only on flight mode. For more info, check out the safety card in the seat pocket or have a chat with us.
And that's full time for this safety message. Thanks for flying Air New Zealand, where every flight is a winning match.
Sit back, relax, and get ready for kickoff. Kia pai tōra tamarikima. Let's fly.